Are you wondering if 1,000 rupees is enough to start your crypto journey? The answer is yes. And today I'll show you the smartest way to start investing in crypto with just 1,000 rupees, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's go. Most people think you need lakhs to make money in crypto, but even 1,000 rupees can grow into something big if you play it smart. Here's how to do it step by step. Understand the basics. Before investing even 1 rupees, understand what crypto really is. It's not just about Bitcoin. It's a digital asset built on blockchain technology, a decentralized and secure network. Choose a trusted platform. Now choose a trusted UK crypto exchange to start. Here are some safe options: Kraken, Coinbase, Revolut, Gemini, etc. Verify your KYC and you're ready to go. Best cryptocurrencies to buy under approximate £10 in the UK. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, fractional investment. 2. Ethereum, ETH, smart contract leader. 3. Polygon, Matic, scalable Ethereum, layer 2. 4. Solana, SOL, fastest blockchain. 5. Shiba Inu, SHIB, or Pepe, speculative picks. Optional. Pro tips for UK investors. Use regulated exchanges like Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, or Gemini. Always enable 2FA and store assets in a secure crypto wallet, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Consider using GBP crypto pairs to avoid extra conversion fees. Golden rules for beginners. Don't just invest wisely. Follow these golden rules. 1. Start small and scale up. 2. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. 3. Use secure wallets for storage. 4. Don't panic sell during dips. 5. Stay updated with news and trends. Remember, every crypto millionaire started small. Your 1,000 rupees is the first step towards financial freedom. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and comment below. I'm starting with 1,000 rupees. Want more videos on crypto investing? Let me know what you want to learn next. See you in the next one.